All right, so guys, just to get you some extra practice, here we have this question. It says a car dealership is trying to sell all of the cars that are on the lot. Currently, there are 525 cars, which means that that is the amount that they have in total. And they are trying to estimate, the general manager is trying to estimate that they will consistently sell 50 cars per week. So 50 cars per week are sold. So we're using the inequality below to graph how many weeks it would take for the number of cars on the lot to be less than 45. So the number of weeks it takes for there to be less than 75 cars. So here we're going to use our notes. I'm going to move my screen to my notes, and you're going to see me here write this down. So here I have this question. They already give us our inequality, so the only thing that we're going to do is simply solve. Now, here I know that even though this W is being multiplied by 50 and there's also subtraction going on, I have to do the opposite inverse of everything that's happening to my W. However, since this is a positive 525, I'm going to subtract this number from both sides. Because whatever I do to one, I must do to the other. And also, since this is a negative number, this is a positive number, I need to do the opposite to cancel it out, which means I will have to subtract. So here, negative 50 W is less than, let's see, so if I have 525, let's see, so that's 455 in total. However, this is a negative 455. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 50 because this W is still being multiplied, and W is now going to be greater than, because whenever you divide by a negative number or multiply your inequality by a negative number, then the sign will change. So that's the reason why my sign will change. So here, I know that that can go into there at least 9 times, which will give us 450. And here I have 5 as my remainder. And then my decimal goes straight up. So W is now greater than positive 9.1 weeks. Or it has to be greater than 9.1 weeks in order to have 75 cars left on the lot. Now, to go ahead and graph that, we're simply going to make our number line. Here, I'm going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one will be 10. So, here is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and so on. So here, because I have W is greater than 9.1, here I have a greater than or less than sign. There's no equal to, so my sign will be open. And then, of course, it's going to be greater than 9. So here is what my inequality should look like. Okay. And that is it. Go ahead and go on to your exit ticket and finish out your lesson for today.